ready to turn website visitors into loyal followers and gather valuable insights about your audience. Let's dive into how to collect Signup information using Wix. First, navigate to your Wix website editor. Click the plus sign, which is the Add button, on the left-hand side of your screen. This opens up a panel where you can add various elements to your site. Now, look for Form and Input. Click on this section to reveal a range of form templates you can use. Wix offers pre-designed forms for different purposes, like contact forms, application forms, and, most importantly, Signup forms. Browse the Signup form templates and choose one that best suits your website's design and the information you want to collect. Drag and drop the selected form onto the desired location on your web page. Once the form is on your page, you can customize it to your liking. Click on the form to access the settings panel. Here, you can add, remove, or edit the fields to collect specific information, such as name, email, or any other details relevant to your business. Next, connect your form to Wix Contacts. This ensures that every Signup is automatically added to your contact list, making it easy to manage and communicate with your growing audience. You can also integrate with email marketing platforms to automate your outreach. Finally, consider creating a members area on your Wix site. This allows you to offer exclusive content or benefits to those who sign up, incentivizing more visitors to join your community. Save and publish your site. You're now collecting Signup information and building a valuable audience with Wix.